Hello and welcome to the video conference room at Carmel, located in the President's Boardroom. This room is equipped with all the necessary tools you will need to run a video, WebEx, audio conference call, or any other type of group meeting. The ceiling microphones provide coverage for most of the room. You can position the tables anywhere underneath their microphones, and your remote attendees will be able to hear you clearly. The room is also equipped with ceiling speakers that will allow you to hear the remote attendees. This room is also equipped with an HD projector and a screen that will allow you to view your meeting, WebEx, share documents, or whatever else you might need it for. To lower the screen, you will need to find this remote. First, aim the remote towards the screen and hit the down arrow. When the screen reaches this point, hit the minus button to stop the screen from lowering. To turn on the projector, press the blue button on this remote. Use Source Search to find your HDMI connection. For this instance, we will be using HDMI 2. To initiate a meeting using GoToMeeting, use your web browser to navigate to www.gotomeeting.com. Locate the sign-in link and click it. The credentials for logging in will be located on a piece of paper by the computer in the boardroom. Once logged in, you can schedule a meeting by clicking Schedule under Schedule a Meeting. Use Pop-up Scheduler to create your meeting. Please leave the audio settings as they are. When finished, click Save. Use the Invite People screen to copy meeting details to send to any other invitees of the meeting. Once back at the meeting screen, click Start to begin your meeting.